What am I going to do with this thing? What is this, as a matter of fact? And where am I? Ah, voila. I am going to unplug my father's sink, and I'm hoping to do it with this. What is this called? It's called a zip-it. And when I was a kid, I guess my parents always used this because they used to always tell me to zip it. And here, I thought it meant something else, and I finally figured out they were talking about this little tool right here, a zip-it. Oh, brother. Okay, here's the sink. And I'm hoping this is what it is. You see here, it's not draining. It's been like this for a while. Now, he doesn't have long hair either. If you've seen him before, he does not have long hair. So why do I think this is clogged up with hair? Well, I just think it is. And you've seen this video before on a zip-it. This one's a different one. So I'm hoping that it's going to be the same thing. Now, the pop-up, I'm gonna hope that I can do it from right here. And before, I told you these pop-ups were threaded on here with reverse threads. Well, this one happens to unscrew the proper way. You can't get it off. You can use a pair of pliers, grab it right there and twist a little bit, and be careful because it's plastic. And if you're not quite sure if it's on really super tight, if it's not unscrewing the proper way, maybe it's the reverse threads, okay? So I'm gonna hope that it's this right here. Have I ever looked at this sink before? No. But look at that stuff down in there. And yeah, you're gonna say, ew, how come you don't have your gloves on? I probably should have some gloves on, huh? But I am gonna wash my hands after this before I eat, don't worry, okay? Usually with this, you can grab anything out of there with this, because see all the little tongs on here? When you push this down there, as you pull back up, can you see how everything's, if there's any hair right in here, before down at the trap, you can pull it out with this. Okay, that's why lots of times if you put Drano in here and if the hair is caught around the pop-up valve, you're never going to get it out unless you pull it out with something like this, because maybe there's nothing in the trap. Okay, so I just want to have this here. You don't have to run the water, but I'm going to try to pull some stuff out. Let's see if we can't just get this unclogged. Now, I'm getting stuff out of here already. So you just pull it back up and stuff comes out of it. And he shaves in here and all kinds of stuff. Now, I'm already getting the water to start coming out of there. And I see, ooh, this thing popped right off. That's not supposed to happen generally. And I'm trying, now see, here's some hair right there. And this will go all the way down to the P-trap. Okay, the adjustable P-trap underneath. That U-shaped deal is called a P-trap. And I'm just gonna kind of do this here. Yucky. And I'm just gonna kind of do this here. Yucky. I'll wash my hands, don't worry. Now, if you want to get it cleaner than that, you can pull this out, but you can't pull it out right now unless you take the trap apart or undo. There's a screw underneath there that pulls a plunger out of the side, and then you can pull that up. And you can probably get it better than what I'm getting it, you know. And see, your top probably like this might not come off. This just kind of unsnapped, didn't it? Now let's see if I can snap that back on there like that. Ew, yuckies. I'm going to screw this back on. There's threads on there. Be careful when you screw it back on. This is a down and dirty video on showing you how to check and see if you can use a zip-it and clean up your sink. Now see, I didn't get much hair out. And goobers right at here. And I think that's all that was clogging up this sink. Let's just see. You're seeing what I see. I don't do Mickey Mouse things and try to get everything done first and then put a little bit of hair down in there. I have not looked at this sink before. Zip it. Last time I went to the hardware store, guess how much this cost? $1.98. Yes. You should get this. If you pay more than $4 for something like this, then you're not getting the true zip it. All right. Oh, that's a nasty thing. I'm getting all that stuff out of there. Look, look. The water's still going out. I'm gonna pull this up and see if we can't grab the water here. Okay. This is the true test. I'm gonna turn that off. Let's see. It's draining. It's still going kind of slow, isn't it? You know what? I think there's more to it. And see, sometimes you can take a zip it and go down through here. Just depends on yours. If you can get it without unscrewing the cap. So if you're having a problem unscrewing the cap, let's say, you can push the zip it. You can still push it down in there. But if you have a lot of hair down there, you're only going to pull up so much. You know what I mean? Okay, so try that first next time, and you might be amazed at how much stuff you pull out of there. If you start pulling up lots of gobs of hair up there, try to unscrew this cap, okay? See, it's draining. It's draining all right. There it is. Zip it. Try that next time. I can mark that one off my list. I tell you, every time I come to my parents' house, they always try to mess me up and throw me a curve on fixing something around the house, and they always think that they're going to catch me that I can't figure it out. Well, so far, nothing doing. I always can figure it out, and you can too. Just keep watching my channel, and I'll help you out. You thought I was kidding too. They've got something all figured out how they're going to stump me this next time on a honey-do list. Let me show you very quickly what they've got in store for me. They don't think I can fix it. Now, they just recently had somebody come over and try to install this grab bar. Now look at this. This one was installed into a stud. Look what happened here. I did not do this. Somebody else cut a hole. Why on earth? They cut a hole here. I will never know. Do they really think they can put some backing in there? And look, it's almost the same size as a grab bar. There's a stud over here, but they couldn't hit it. Now, how is Joe gonna fix that? I've been racking my brain high and low. What am I gonna do with that? Well, you know, just keep watching my channel, and I might just come up with the fix for that too. Yeah, you're probably racking your brain too. How is Joe going to fix that without patching the sheetrock, cutting this out, putting the block in there, screwing this back on here, taping, topping, sanding, texturing, priming, painting? Oh. Yeah, I'm not going to do any of that. I think I have a way to fix that. That's not on this video. It'll be coming up on a near future video. They had the right idea, you know, kind of putting a grab here by the toilet and stuff. Here's another nice little grab bar up here. And they even put white ones in here, which kind of match. You can get these in stainless steel too. I probably would have went with the stainless steel. They're about 10 bucks cheaper in the long run, but they got talked into these white ones. So, okay, yeah, fine, whatever. I'll fix it, don't worry. Hey, I told you it was going to be quick and easy. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more, that's right, videos.